Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ashley, and if you are returning, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be doing just a get ready with me. We're actually doing family pictures today with my husband's family, so I'm going to get ready for that. I had a package come from Ulta probably several months ago, and I just have not played with it yet because I wanted to film a video and just haven't, and so I thought I would use most of the products in today's video. We're just gonna hurry and get started because we are kind of on a time crunch. So this is gonna be kind of a sped up version as far as like, I'm only gonna be talking about the newer products that I have not used before. And then I will just list everything in the description box that I used on the rest of my face, just to make this video shorter than most of my videos and just so that I can make sure I get done on time. So my face is already prepped and moisturized and everything, and so like always we're jumping in with the eyes, and I'm excited because I'm going to be using a new palette today, and it's actually from ColourPop. And Abby at Twist Me Pretty, if you don't know who she is, you need to follow her on Instagram. She does have a YouTube channel. She's the one who showed me this palette. She posted about this palette in her stories, and I just loved the eyeshadow looks that she got from it, so I wanted to try it out for myself. So this is the ColourPop Nude Mood Palette. The last time that I was on ColourPop's website, I don't remember seeing this one. I got this one at Ulta, so Ulta might still have this one. But if I can find the link for it on ColourPop's website or Ulta's website, I will link it down below. This palette is just gorgeous, and so I'm super excited to jump into this. So like always, we're gonna prime the eyes. So my eyelids are all primed. I did set them with my Maybelline powder, and so I'm just gonna jump into the palette. And I'm going to be taking a Morphe R37 brush, and I'm going to be taking this shade called Bare to Wear, and this I'm going to put in my crease as my transition shade. Then I'm just gonna be going in with a flatter brush. This is just a makeup brush I've had for a long time. I don't even know what the brand is for this, but I am gonna be going into this darker brown shade called Au Naturel. And I'm gonna be focusing this on the outer part of my eye, and I'm gonna be bringing it up into my crease just a little bit. But I'm gonna start on my lash line and buff it out and then up. And then I'm just gonna build it up to the intensity that I want. So I'm gonna be going in with this shimmery shade called Wink Wink, and I'm gonna put this all over my eyelid. Okay, then I'm gonna be taking this color called Mugged Off, and I'm going to be putting it on the part of my eyelid that the shimmery shade didn't touch. And then I'm going to just deepen up the look just a little bit more with the darkest brown shade in this palette. I'm just going to be taking a clean eyeshadow brush, crease brush, fluffy brush, blender brush, whatever it's called, and I'm just going to blend this out. Then I'm going to be going back into that Wink Wink shade just to make sure there's not just like a harsh line. I'm just going to go back in and do the same thing to the other eye, and then majority of the rest of the video I probably won't talk because I'm really running out of time. So I will put, like I said, everything down in the description box that I use on my face, as well as the new products, because I really don't have time to talk about them. But I will do a more in-depth video later on about the products.